Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by affiliate marketing with no money in 2022. Uh, Guys, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up to the video, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever I'll publish a video with regard to the affiliate marketing and blogging, then you will get notified for that video. So let's get started with the video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make money online by affiliate marketing. If you are new to the affiliate marketing and you do not know what is affiliate marketing, we have a video on what is affiliate marketing and how does affiliate marketing works. You can find out that video in the description of this video, and you can watch and you can learn what is affiliate marketing. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make money affiliate marketing. It's a basic way of how you can do affiliate marketing. If you are new to the affiliate marketing, then you have to follow 4 steps how to become a good affiliate. So if you'll stick to the video, at the end of this video I will show you my favorite affiliate program. Guys, this is very important. Nobody shows their winning product when it comes to affiliate marketing, because this product is giving benefits to me, and this product is giving revenue to me. So nobody says that product to anyone, so because otherwise people will start promoting that product, and there will be a lot of competition in that product. So if you stick to the video at the till the end of this video, I will show you what is my favorite affiliate product which I am continuously promoting, and by promoting that product I have made a lot of money by just doing affiliate marketing. So let's get started with the video, and let me show you how you can do affiliate marketing, how you can leverage this affiliate marketing. So there are 4 main steps. The first step is to which affiliate platform to choose that accepts affiliates worldwide. First of all, guys, you have to choose affiliate platforms. You have to choose a platform where you can find products to promote, so that make sure that you find out a platform where you can sign up from anywhere in the world. So there are so many products that which do not accept affiliate from that country, from this country. So make sure to sign up for the affiliate program or affiliate platform that accepts affiliates worldwide. So in this case there are various affiliate marketing platforms, such these are the big names, that is GBJU, Clickbank, Warrior Plus, Carousel, Impact, partner stack, and there are a lot of other affiliate programs. But these are the top, and these are the program that most of the people in the world use these platform. So then you have to sign up for that program, that platform. Let's say you want to sign up for Clickbank, GBDO, or Warrior Plus, or Clickbank. Then you have to create your account. You have to put your all details, where you will promote it and how you will promote these basic things, your account number or your PayPal address where you will receive the payments. And then the next step is where and how to promote your affiliate links. Okay, and then the best traffic source to make more commission. These are the 4 steps you have to take while starting affiliate marketing in this year, in 2022. So guys, let's find out a platform. So if I will advise you, then you must subscribe, you must join the Clickbank's affiliate platform, because it is one of the oldest and it is one of the biggest platform in the entire world. And in the products in this marketplace, you will find products that gives up to 75% commission. So if you have not subscribed, or if you have not created your account, then go to the clickbank.com and sign up, and put your all the details, your information detail, like your name. And this, just let me show you what things you should put in that uh, your account. And then I will also show you how you can find out products on Clickbank. So this is very, it's easy to sign up. Here you have to select your country, your name, last name, phone number, email address, and then you have to create your password. uh, and then you have to continue and accept conditions, continue and accept conditions, and then click join Clickbanks. So you will join the Clickbanks. Let me open my account, where I will show you how your account look like once you create your account, and I will also show you how you can find the products. Then in then other steps I will also tell you how to promote your products or how to market that products. And if you stick to the video till the end, I will show you my winning product that is making more revenue to me. So let's quickly log into my account. So friends, now have I have logged into my account, and you can see that I'm inside my accounts area, where you can see all the things like my account and all the partners, marketplace, and reporting. Here you can see dashboard, reporting, account section, vendor setting, resources, and all that. Now you have to go to the marketplace area, click on marketplace, and once you click on marketplace, then you'll land on this page where you will find a lot of products. So if you do not know how to find products on ClickBanks, then there is a trick. Just click on this search button without typing anything. So let's click on this button. Once you click on this button, then the products that are most popular, or the products that are most people are promoting, will show up. So now you can see these are the products that are promoting a lot of by the people. So now you can sort these products by three ranks: rank, conversion, initial conversion, recurring bills, and gravity. I will uh, suggest you to go with gravity. What does gravity mean is that, let's load the products. Gravity means that the gravity of this product is 677. It means that 677 people are purchasing this product, and this product is currently converting very good. This is Java Burn. It's a health and weight loss product, so you can try out this product as well. So here you can see that these are the top products that are currently working good in the ClickBank. You can see Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, then you can see Dentitox, okay, then you can see Smooth Diet, then we have Biofit, all are health product, custom keto diets, and then you can see a numerologist, his secret obsession. Basically, it's a relationship related product. And then you can see get paid to use Facebook and Twitter. It is a basically a platform where you can get paid by using social media, by replying to the social media messages and all that. So by this way you can simply find out the products. Here you can see, here you have a lot of option. You have categories: arts, entertainment, betting, business, e-business, computers, education, employment, and all that. You can go with the category, whatever category you would like to go. So let's for example, I want to promote this product. So what I can do is I can go to the affiliate page of this product. It is the affiliate product of this page, where you can see their terms and all that, how their terms work, and whatever that is, you can use these things, right? Plus you can also check their landing page, that what their landing page is all about, and how to get ideas and how to promote that product. And you can also read up on that page that what is the product all about. So once you have decided that you want to promote this product, this is Try Java Burn. It's a weight loss product. You can see one pouch, 30-day supply, $49 per month. And if you get to the affiliate page, they are currently giving 75 commission for initial Java Burn sales. So it means that if someone purchases this product 39, 34, and whatever this product, they will give you 75% commission of that product. All right. So next is to click on this and generate your hoop link, that is your affiliate link. Okay, so once you generate your affiliate link, that is the link which you can promote on various places. And if someone purchase this using your affiliate link, you will automatically get the benefits. So just here you can see a tracking again. Let's say you want to promote it on Facebook, you can use Facebook and then click and generate the hoop links. Okay, once you generate the hoop links, this is the link which you can promote, but don't use this link as naked like this one. You can use bitly to shorten this link, or there are a lot of other platform lot of softwares which you can use to shorten these links. Okay, then shorten the link, and then there are other methods. So now how to where and how to promote your affiliate products. So there are there are various places where you can promote your affiliate links, such as you can promote it on Facebook. Okay, if you have a blog, you can promote it on your blog. Or if you can promote it on Instagram. You can create pages on Instagram like weight loss. You can promote it on YouTube. You can promote it on TikTok. Okay, and you can promote it on what is this, Pinterest. And there are a lot of places you can promote this product. Plus you can also use paid ads to promote this product. Okay, paid ads such as Google ad, Facebook ads, and Pinterest ad, TikTok ads, Instagram ads. You can use these platforms to use the uh, to promote this affiliate product. Okay, so now the next things is best traffic source to make more commission. So best, if I would suggest you the best source, then I would say you can create a Instagram page like weight loss. Okay, and where you can post so many images, videos, reels, and then you can promote your affiliate links in the bio. So I'll just show you one example of this method. Let's log into instagram.com, and I will also show you one profile which is exactly doing this. They are promoting the affiliate products on Instagram, Clickbank products on Instagram. So let me just log into my Instagram account and find that page. So friends, now you can see how people are promoting the products. You can you can search on this custom keto, you can search on Java Burn, right? Like Java Burn official, it might be official page. So let's take this example. This is keto, custom keto diet. It is also one of the product that I show you in the Clickbank account. Here you can see the product. Here is the product, custom keto diet. It is a gravy of this product. Gravity of this product is also good. Now you can see that they are promoting this Google site. So they have page make a create a free page on this Google site.google.com. Here you can see that they are promoting this product. This is the hope link. This is the link that they are promoting. If you click on this link, they will redirect you to the affiliate site, and if someone makes any purchases, then they will get the commission for that products. So this is one example. Now you can see this page is redirecting, and you can see G22416 is the affiliate link of this person who is doing this, who is using this page to make affiliate commissions. All right, next one is this page. Now this is again is a custom keto diet, and here you can see they have given this bio, and when you click on this, then you land on this page. And now you can see take the interactive quiz. Once you click on this page, you will redirect it to the affiliate site of that product, that is custom keto diet. And once you land on that page, then you will definitely understand that this is custom keto diet. It is an official site of that product, and now they are making commission by using this page alone. Now next thing is that they are also driving traffic to their Facebook page, their Pinterest page, their YouTube channel, and all that. Now we have got the third account. Here you can see they have a lot of followers as well, and they also have a custom keto diet for fitness. So click on this then and check it out. Now we can also check, is there any account we can find for Java Burn. You can see this seems to be an official page. No, this is not an official page, because official page they will never use Linktree uh, link. Okay, now this is again custom keto for diet. You can use this Linktree product. Linktree, it's a free, and you can create your account on that. Now you can see custom keto diet plan. And if you'll if I once I'll hover it, and you can see that hope link is here. Here you can see that it's a hope link, and TID is Insta. Now you can keto resources, you can see keto bread and desserts. This is again the affiliate link, and they have also have a lot of uh, followers on their account. Again you can see This is Java Bun official. All right, now click on this and you will redirect it to their Java, sorry, their Linktree page, where they are promoting so many products, right? This is again custom keto, this is Java. And now you can see, click on this official site. And if you click on, if I hover over it, you can see here TID is the hope link, and once I'll click on this, I will be redirected to their affiliate page. That is that is you can see this is their affiliate page, and you can see one click, this is JavaBun official site. So this is how people are promoting affiliate products on Instagram. You can also do the same thing. They are they are just posting these images, you can see coffee and all that. You can also publish these things in your account, and then you can follow here the affiliate links, right? This is how people are doing now. You have got that how to sign up for a affiliate account, how to promote your affiliate links. These are the methods where you can promote your affiliate link. You can create review of that product and promote on your blog, and you can also use the paid ads. And best traffic source to make commission is, you can create an Instagram page for whatever niche you are working. If you are working on make money online niche, then you can create a make money online related niche related page. But I've shown you that you can create a weight loss page, where you can promote so many weight loss product. Now comes the my favorite affiliate program. So if you have stick to till end, then let me show you my favorite affiliate program. So this is Builderall. Builderall is all in one digital marketing platform. Builderall basically is an all-in-one digital marketing platform. If you are doing online business, then you need a funnel builder, you need a website builder, you need a email marketing software, you need a proofreader, you need a lot of tools like email marketing page builder, landing page builder, sales funnel builders. You need so many things to run your business online, and in that case you look for so many products. So instead of having 10-20 products to run your business, you can have only one product, that is Builderall. Because Builderall has more than 45 digital marketing tools, 45 plus digital marketing tools to run your online business. And this is the product that I am currently promoting, and I'm making huge commission. Now the best thing about this platform is that they have two-tier affiliate commission. Two-tier affiliate commission, right? So let's, if you one more thing guys, if you want to join their Builderall affiliate, if you want to join their affiliate, then you can click on the link of this video. I've got the affiliate link where you can sign up for their affiliate program, and you can join as an affiliate, and you can promote Builderall. You can make more commission, and they have two-tier commission program. So what about two-tier is, one tier you get 100% commission for the first month of the sale. So the basic plan of the minimum plan of the product is $69. So if someone purchase through your affiliate links, then you will get $69, 100% commission to you, and then 30% commission every month till that person uh, deactivate their account. Plus, if if that person also promote the Builderall, or someone else also purchase using their affiliate link, right, using their link, then also you will get the 30% commission every month. You will not get 100% commission for the second tier, but you will get 30% for the that person every month. So this is the exact formula. That is why this is my winning product. One more thing is, I've uh, did a detailed video of Builder affiliate program, how does it work, and how much I earn using this affiliate program. I did a detailed video on this aspect, so you can watch that video. That You can find that video in the I button, plus you will also find link of that video in the description of the video. Is the video. I hope you find this video useful and informative. If you like this video, thumbs up to the give a thumbs up to the video. If you don't like, give a thumbs down. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, because I regularly publish videos related make money online, affiliate marketing, blogging, digital marketing, and all that. So I hope this is for the that I hope you have understood everything. This is for this video. We will meet in the next one. Till then, have fun, great, and bye bye.